As the pandemic seized the world by storm at the start of the year 2020, the entire world was introduced to a new style of functioning. Millions of working professionals have switched to full-time employment from home. Many people were unprepared and had no choice except to go with the flow. For others, the prospect of working from the comfort of your own homes was a genius dream come true. Companies and workers didn't have much to plan for remote work, and they didn't figure out the best ways to transition entire processes and teams to all virtual environment. It was introduced abruptly and for an undetermined period. In today's video, I will be discussing how working from home can be productive. Do stay with me till the end of this video if you want to learn everything about it. Now let's get right into it. Number 1. Maintain regular work hours. One of the most crucial and basic things you can do while learning how to work from home full-time or part-time is to develop a regular plan for yourself. It's tempting to allow yourself complete freedom in terms of when you start, take breaks and call it a day. However, setting regular hours for yourself makes you responsible to both yourself and your boss. It increases your chances of finishing all your jobs and make it easier for others to combat you. When creating an at-home work plan, keep the following elements in mind. When your boss requires your availability, interaction with coworkers and customers, when you are most productive during the day. This does not imply that you must work from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. every day. When you are at your most productive, you should work. It's a good idea though to find out when your boss wants you to be at work. For example, you'll need to know when any conference calls are scheduled so you can plan accordingly. Many employees, for example, check their emails every morning and must be reachable by phone in the afternoons. Aside from that, pick periods when you're most likely to get the most work done. Communicate your availability hours to everyone who may need to contact you, and you'll be well on your way to productive and consistent work days. Number 2. A distinction between work and personal time. Working when you say you will be just as important as making time for your family when you need it. Don't go above and beyond what you planned for the workday or you'll burn out. Keeping your business and personal life distinct is one of the most important workings of home practices. This helps you to become more productive at work while also being less anxious when you're not. Similarly to how you manage your work hours, you schedule, discuss and plan when you will be able to work or not. For example, if you wish to spend nights with your family, specify that you will not check emails after a certain hour and then follow through on your half of the contract. To better balance your time, consider using a planner to organize your daily schedule. The Full Life Planner is an excellent resource for this. Take out your calendar and begin preparing your schedule so you don't lose track of what's going on in your life. Number 3. Make a workflow plan. When learning how to work from home successfully, one proven approach to keep productivity high is to arrange your workday wisely. Make sure you know what your priorities are for the day, how long you think it will take you to complete everything, and what you will work on if you have additional time before you begin working. You might find it useful to spend a few minutes before going to bed planning for the next day. You may discover that you sleep better when you don't have the burden of preparing in the back of your mind. Consider the following when making your plans. Prioritize the most important task first. Plan your day and around your natural cycles. Do the most difficult job when you have the greatest energy. Schedule breaks and rewards throughout the day. In this manner, you can always stay concentrated and avoid being easily sidetracked. Number 4. Divide the day. If you follow the previous step, you will have already scheduled breaks for yourself throughout the day. Make an effort to get up from your desk during your breaks. Get some fresh air, have some nutritious food, and if possible, converse with other human beings. All of these exercises will assist you in resetting, getting your blood flowing, and ensuring that you are prepared to face the following set of duties. According to 2011 research, workers who worked 2 brief breaks remained consistently productive when assigned a specific assignment to complete, but those who took no breaks, performance fell dramatically throughout the activities. This is due to the way our brain registers what it should pay attention to, and it emphasizes the significance of taking breaks. Second research discovered that the most efficient workers worked for around 50 minutes and then took a 15 to 20-minute break. If you're not used to taking pauses, this may be an excellent place to start. Set an alarm to remind you to return to work if you have problems keeping to a time restriction for your breaks. The Pomodoro technique is excellent for this since it establishes regular work hours and breaks. Number 5. Dress as though you're going to work. Even if you won't be interacting with anyone else all day, you should dress for success. This includes taking a shower and cleaning your teeth. Sweatpants and a t-shirt are more comfortable, but they make you feel sluggish, tired, and uninspired. It's also a great time to try on an outfit with no risk. If you have trouble pushing yourself to get dressed in the morning, consider putting out your clothes the night before and schedule a daytime trip that requires you to dress. Number 6. Establish an at-home office. When you first start learning how to work from home, it may be tempting to work from your sofa, easy chair, or even your bed. But this may have a significant impact on your productivity. One of the finest working from home suggestions is to constantly work from the same area, desk, or chair to signal to your brain that it's time to work, not rest. When you do this, your brain will link your bed with sleep, your sofa with relaxation, and your desk with work, causing your energy levels to alter correspondingly. If you work from home, you are more likely to feel awake, confident, and organized. Set yourself up with a more comfortable, supportive chair, a large desk, reliable Wi-Fi, and consistent office gear. Make it a point to customize your place. After all, you'll be there for a long time. Number 7. Do not allow roommates. Working from home efficiently is all about setting boundaries. Setting limits for children, pets, family members, or housemates is also important. Encourage them to leave you alone while you work so you can concentrate. Try to keep the limits nice and light-hearted, but stick to them. One amusing option is to create a sign for your office door that indicates whether or not you're working. You may even have children assist you in making the sign so they don't feel left out. Number 8. You can be a janitor. Unlike at the workplace, there is no janitor to clean up after you, so you must do it yourself. Keeping your home office tidy allows you to stay focused, organized, and productive. Even if you're not troubled by the cluttered desk, maintaining some sort of order helps guarantee that nothing vital slips between the cracks or gets lost in a stack of paper. This, however, extends beyond simply keeping your home office tidy. A cluttered house may tempt you to put off job responsibilities in favor of cleaning, which is terrible for your productivity. Setting a weekly cleaning routine for yourself will help you stay on top of cleaning your house so you aren't tempted to clean during work hours. Number 9. Turn on inspiration. Work from home has the advantage of not distracting your coworkers. If that's what gets you going, blast those pumped up tracks loud and loudly. Alternatively, consider a more relaxing soundtrack of natural sounds, instrumental music, or simply keeping the windows open to allow in outside noises. If you have to undertake repetitive activities, an audiobook or podcast may be just what you need to keep going. Some people, though, function best in silence. If you are one of them, fight the impulse to listen to music or watch TV in the background. Number 10. Keep up to date. One of the most appealing aspects of working in an office is the opportunity for cooperation and sociability. You do not have to give up the simplicity because you work from home. When learning how to work from home, try to check in with your coworkers at least twice a week, whether by email, phone, video chat, social media, or in person. Make an effort to stay current on both a personal and professional level. You don't have to spend a lot of time on this, simply provide the most critical information and urge your employees to do the same. Now that's it for today, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know in the comment section which part of this video excited you the most. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.